In this video, you're going to learn how to set up a custom alert so that you can get an email when you have a spike in traffic or you have a drop in your traffic. Now, the reason that you might want to do this is so you can really fix a problem. If you notice that there's a big drop in traffic, maybe your site is down, and so you want to be emailed about that rather than finding out about it 2 days later from somebody on your social media. So a drop in traffic could really signify that there might be a problem there. A big spike in traffic, equally, you might want to be notified about that straight away so you can capitalize on that opportunity. Maybe you've been mentioned by somebody online and they've sent you a huge amount of referral traffic. Well, you really want to make sure that everything is working okay, that people are going through your site okay and maybe completing the goals that you want them to. And maybe there's an opportunity as well to capitalize on that mention to make it a bigger thing and really ultimately take advantage of an opportunity like that. So those are a couple of the reasons that you might want to set this up. And to set it up, you want to come into your admin section and you can scroll down to custom alerts. And really you can create a new alert. I'll show you how to set it up for traffic spike. We want to apply it to this view. We're going to look at a day. We can select that we want to be notified when this alert triggers, and we can add other people there as well. We're going to apply this to all our traffic, and the conditions for getting this alert is when the number of sessions has a percentage increase more than, let's say, 30%, and compared to the same day of the previous week. So those are the conditions for us getting this alert. You can set that up as you want, but probably 30% change is going to be significant. Something like a 5% change, that's not really a spike in traffic, that's just the normal up and down. But something like 30% could be quite significant. So it can depend. If your site is brand new, you might have to up that to something higher. But if your site is set up and running for a while, then usually a 30% increase would be pretty significant and something that you'd want to know about. Now, once you've set it up, you can click Save Alert. Now, equally, if you want to set up a traffic drop alert, it's the same thing except that you want to do a percentage increase of more than 30% compared to the previous week. And you can save both of those, and then once that's done, you're going to have these custom alerts set up, and you can be getting those emails anytime that there's a big spike or drop in your traffic, so you can really act on it straight away.